Yeah. Yeah, enter here. Enter. Okay. Are you okay? Yeah. Good. So let's go and pick Richard up. So today we're going with Heavenly. Heavenly is coming with us. Since she's the only one back from school, so we can't leave her at home. She's not like Ashley. Ashley stays in school. Hey, Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Big Daddy. Going home and then cooking continue. No. Maybe before my husband arrive home. Mommy, don't. Maybe before my husband arrive home, food will be ready. No. Look at my big boy. You came with your sports wear home? Yes, because I was doing a drama. A drama? Oh. Did you have fun with it? Yeah. Good. So you were coming to kindergarten? Yes, I wanted to check. Yeah. Oh, you were saying Heavenly and Richard. Oh my God, look at that big son of mine. Sometimes, if this boy wasn't mine, I would be tripping. Oh, you and Ben was together? Hold on. Let's go. Looks like I have 4 big children over there. Girl, I'm tripping. Yeah, that's my son. I'm tripping. I will be tripping for the mother if that dude was somebody's son. Big boy. Do you know how excited I am that I have a son that is already growing up? Let Richard get to that point. I will be eating him raw. I'll be giving him a lot of kisses. I hope he allows me, not like Ashley that doesn't want me to. And we are home.
We're going to the football. We're going to a stadium.
Young man, I have to cook first. Come out.
But while you're cooking, I can have your phone.
Okay, then it's boiling, and we're gonna pressure cook our beans also. Here we're gonna have beans in this recipe. So guys, we're back from picking up Richard, and now we want to bake that in the oven. My air fryer is not big enough. I could have used air fryer to bake this, but it's not big enough, and I don't want to go 2 times, so that is going to take all of my time. So let's use the oven. So guys, it's time to start cooking. Yeah. Yeah, pull it if it's wet, Aria. I have to cook. Let me tell you to pull it for you. coconut milk.
Did we need to pour?
Look at that. So we want it very soft like this, moist. So creamy, you see that? So moist and not dried. Yeah. So guys, food is ready. Ooh, thank you for cooking with me.